today I am getting this beehive off the rails and putting it on a proper beehive stand. And if that goes well, I'm also going to do a thorough inspection and see what we see. I can start with a little smoke. I can remove this feeder. Oh, there's dead bees up here. Okay, but also some alive bees, so that's good. I cannot wait to move freely around this hive rather than hopping back and forth over these rails all the time. Dead bees on the top. Ew. Alive bees on the bottom. Oh, now they're loud. Please don't be mad. Here we go. Whew. Okay. Step 1, done. Step 2, get rid of these awful rails. Better already. Look at this. So much better than hopping over that rail. But now these guys are mad, so let me see if I can get them on here without irritating them further. I don't know if that is. Is this what you would do? Just move the whole thing? All right. Why? Oh, the answer, my problem solved. One problem solved, the next problem open, I guess. Okay, while we're here, I'm just gonna look in and we'll see what we see. Let's do it before they get even madder. Oh look, they're drawing it out a little bit. I feel like that's a good sign, even on the first frame. Ugh, there's a bee on my hand and by my face. Not my favorite. And one under my feet. I really don't want to get stung today. Right. Oh, drawn comb. I'm taking it. Dang, I don't know where to put this hive tool. There's not a good spot. All right. Taking it. More drawn comb. Okay, now we're talking. Let's see. That is really drawn out. That looks good to me. Like this could be a place where I would see a queen. So I think I see honey and I think I see pollen.
Look down in the cells and see if you see any eggs.
I do not think I see eggs, but I have been mistaken about that before. Okay, I'm considering it a good sign though, like bees and resources. Step in the right direction. Okay, capped brood. It's a good thing. Honey or sugar water maybe is a good thing. I think we're in good shape. I can't always tell like the bee bread from the larva, but I think that's larva.
That's a brand new comb. That's nice. You may have the queen on this frame.
I do not see a queen.
Kind of look at that frame. You can go ahead and grab the next one. Okay, there's eggs all over this frame, by the way.
I thought there were, well, not egg, well,
There's eggs. Lots of eggs.
I thought it was larva. What's the difference?
Okay, so the eggs are the little pieces of rice down in the bottom. Let me get sunlight here. Okay, look down in there. Those are eggs down in there.
Cool.
The larva is white.
Yeah.
When it gets milky, that's milk brood. That's a Mike Berry-ism that we have all seem to have adopted because it's fitting. Let's see if there's a queen before we go, because look at this side. It's beautiful. A lot of eggs, a lot of milk brood. So she was just here. If she's not here, she's probably going to be on your next frame. Okay, I don't see her there.
It looks good. I don't see a queen, but it looks good.
Oh, let me see.
I see all the things I want to see, minus the queen.
That's a beautiful frame you have there.
This is a good one.
Make sure the camera can see it good.
I think that this is a good one. They're all good. Capped honey or capped sugar water? I really want to see a queen. Alright, well, I want to see a queen. I don't see a queen. Maybe when I look back I will see a queen. If anyone watching sees a queen, tell me. Like, she has got to be here. Like, all the stuff is here.
She may be in the upper box. I bet she's laying up there.
Where is this? Alright, they are very loud. I don't know if that's the bad news or the good news. It's just the news. Hive beetles, hive beetles.
Oh, you have quite a few hive beetles. Let me get in here really quick.
I've been saying good news, good news, good news, and now I see hive beetles, so that is slightly less good news. Okay, this is cool. Look at this. Honey. I say larvae, but larva? Capped honey, or at least capped sugar water. You know, when I was looking at the opening of this, it looked a little blah this morning or earlier today. I think it looks good. You can let me know if this is in fact not something that looks good, but to me it looks good. Oh, look, 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 it looks so good. Where's the queen? I really feel like this is the type of place she would be. Okay, I see, what is that, sugar? All of these frames are super drawn out. I really thought I might actually see the queen this time. Maybe I'll see her when I look back.
I don't see her, but she's in the hive. There's no doubt about it.
Very last, where are we? Very last, even the very last frame looks good. So I cannot find the queen, but everything is wonderful. If I can just get closed up without a sting, I'll consider this day a great success. Done. Okay, this time I'm doing it. I'm taking the win. I got my goal accomplished, which was get off the rails and onto an actual beehive stand, and the hive itself looks good. When I looked at it earlier today, it looked really kind of slow. I didn't think I would expect to see such good news when I got inside. Didn't see a queen, of course, but I saw bee bread, sugar water, drawn out comb, eggs, brood. I think that's all the things you can see other than a queen. Let me know if you think I missed anything, and thanks for watching. Bye!